Hello everyone, today our topic is itsy bitsy insect. In this topic we will talk about small and tiny insects. They are living in our surrounding and they are very small. This is dragonfly, also known as the devil's darning needle. They are one of the fastest known insects. They have thin silvery wings with a steel blue, purple, green or copper colored body. They eat mosquitoes, flies and other insects. What is the food of dragonfly? Mosquitoes, fly and other insects. These are aphids. They are parasites. They have sharp sucking beaks and live on the sap of the plants. They are found on stem or underneath leaves. They reproduce so rapidly that if unchecked they can destroy entire field of the crops. Means they can destroy entire field of the crops. Cicada. Cicada is a sound producing insect. Male make loud noise by vibrating the membranes at the base of their abdomen. Although not considered a pest, the females, if numerous, may damage young sapling when they lay eggs. Next one is yucca moth. They have white wings which blend in with the yucca plant they pollinate. Both the plant and insect depend on each other for survival. In order to prevent shortage of food, they rarely lay eggs in flowers that other females have already used. Yucca moth have white wings which blend in with the yucca plants they pollinate. This is horsefly. They can be as small as a horsefly or as large as a bumblebee. They are also known as green-headed monsters. Their mouth resemble a wedge-shaped miner's stool. They are fast and are usually found around streams, marshes and wooded areas. Which fly is this? Horsefly. Next one is firefly. They are member of the beetle family. The wingless female are often called glowworms. Means these are known as glowworms. They are visible at night because of their distinctive ability to produce light in periodic bursts. This is firefly and they are visible at night because of their distinctive ability to produce light in periodic bursts. Or firefly is belong with beetle. Now we are talking about bee. These insects make delicious honey from the nectar of flowers. They have more than 20,000 species and are found all over the world except in Antarctica. Means bee are not found in Antarctica. They are found all over the world but not in Antarctica, or they make delicious honey. Succulent ants. These insects suck the blood of their young ones in a process known as non-destructive cannibalism. They were first found in rotting log in Madagascar over a decade ago. Means they were found in Madagascar. They are known as Dracula ants. Now we are talking about ladybirds, colorful insects. They have round, brightly colored bodies. They are commonly red, orange, yellow or black with spots or other markings. Farmers and fruit growers consider them to be among the most beneficial of insect. That is ladybirds, most beneficial insects for farmers and fruit growers. Next one is ticks. They live on or inside other animals which are called hosts. They can spread disease to people, animals and plants. They also cause itching and other skin problems. Tick can cause itching and other skin problems. Okay student, you have to learn these insects.